This video will show how to copy paste a link from Vocaroo into your answer. So if you're in Vocaroo, you've already made your recording and you want to save and share. Use your link and you just click copy. Don't highlight and paste, it's better that you just click copy here. And then go to the box. The important thing is that if you do this, it won't work. You will not get the highlighter. You have to move this little scroll bar right up to the top. Then you will see your cursor. The cursor, you need to click the cursor into the box. So again, if it's here, or here, or here, it's not going to work because you can't see it. And then Control and V, or I think for some people Command and V, and then click Submit.